to my channel. This is Unique DJ here. If you are new here, please like, share, subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Today we are going to be making puff puff, and I'll be showing you 2 ways of cutting your puff puff inside the oil to give you that round shape. So here are the ingredients. We have sugar, flour, yeast, salt, and our warm water to mix it. So here I'll be mixing my yeast with 2 spoons of sugar. Then we'll cover that one separate to know if our yeast is active. If you want to know if your yeast is active, sorry guys, you mix it like this. I'm using warm water, then I'll cover it. We'll see the end results. I'm trying to mix it so that the lumps will go down a little. So I'll cover it and set it aside. So after like 20 minutes, this is the result. The yeast is very active. You see that is foaming. That is to show that the yeast is active. So let's get started. That is my 3 cups of flour going into the bowl. I'll be adding ½ cup of sugar and pinch of salt. So you mix it together before adding your yeast mixture. Now I'm adding the yeast mixture into the flour. So I'll be adding water bit by bit, but at the end of the day I use like 1.5 cup of water to mix the puff. So it's still thick, that is why I add a little bit water. So the water I use is 1.5 cup of water. So here I've got this texture that I want. I'll be covering it to double in size. You cover it and keep it in a warm place for like 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, this is what we get. It have risen. You see that bubble on it, that shows that the puff puff have rise and it have doubled in size. So here is our oil already on fire. I'm checking the temperature of the oil, whether it's hot for us to start frying. So the oil is hot. I'll start cutting it in. Did you see the way I'm pressing it out? I'll close my fist and press it out. You can see it. Then I'll close it and press it out. This will give you the actual round shape that you want. So the next method will be using spoon to cut it. You see? Still from the same side. When you press it out, you use spoon to cut it inside. By this, you can, everything will be the same size. They won't be bigger, smaller, or whatever. So everything will come out the same size, round. So you can use any one you are comfortable with, any shape you want. Thank you guys for watching. Can you see that round puff puff? Please subscribe guys, share. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.